Here we have a Mercedes Benz key that came in with a note. Remote key for 2005 Mercedes Benz E320, and the VIN number, all the information. We do not need the VIN number or any of the information provided here, but the customer included that. Remote control not working at all. Case cracked. Make it totally functional. Replace with a new outer case. So he wants it working and he wants to change the outer case. I see some damage onto the keys here, to the buttons. So the first thing I want to do is test to see if the key is working or not. Let me just put new batteries. Okay, so if I press the button, nothing happens. The meter should read about 314, 315, but it's not. Button number 2, button number 3, and these are good batteries inside the key. If we test the infrared on top, and nothing. Key is dead, totally dead. Let's open it up and see what's going on. Customer did not give us any information on why the key stopped working or why it's not working, but we're gonna inspect the motherboard and see what's going on. We also have another key that came in, 2 packages right here. The other key came in without a paper inside, so we do not even know what's going on with the key, but we're gonna test it right here. So I may include both keys in one video, we'll see. This is one side of the board. Trace looks good, it's not broken off. And it looks like the key suffered liquid damage. Right off the bat, I see 2 things wrong here. The cap doesn't look good, the one on the top. And I see a blown component down on the bottom right. So this one doesn't look good, and this one does not look good. We can see a burn mark here, and we can see the component is blown. Anything else obvious? Here we're gonna have to clean the board, not with an ultrasonic machine, but manually. Let's see if there's anything else obvious. This one here too. This does not look good. And if we check the back, I'm checking for rust, broken traces. The coil looks good. And I think that's it. Let's go ahead and change those components. We have a lot of donor boards in stock, so getting the components is not going to be a problem. We do at least a couple of keys, Benz keys every day, so we have a lot of donor boards that we can use parts from. That's one. And that's 2. Let's go to our donor board, grab those components and put them on the customer's board. So that's number 1 here. Let's grab the other one. And let's put it right over here. Okay, we can make this look nice and pretty. We just apply some flux, and with our soldering iron we can smooth the edges. And our fume extractor. And let's go ahead and change this component here, component in question. It may be good, but it doesn't look good, so we're gonna change it. Let's grab it from here and put it right over here. Just a tiny bit of flux. I do not want flux to touch the infrared component on the left. And that's clean. Okay, the key looks super clean now. Okay, so let's test. See if the key is working now. Just put the battery in. And do we have a red light? Yes, we have a red light. Okay, let's test using the meter. Okay, so press, and yes, 315. Let's press the other button, 315. Let's press the lock button, very good. And the top, let's test the infrared, very good. Very good. And finally this one here, and the panic button. Everything is perfect. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll do something else in the next video.